Well, Carney's cigar store is finished, and there's only one building left. All right, and here it is. This is Downtown Garage. Here's the bag right here. Here's the antenna and the telephone poles and the fence sticks. Here's the telephone poles, and here's all the stuff that we got to put up on all the other buildings. So we'll do this, and once we do this, we'll put the whole thing in a diorama. So that's coming up shortly. Keep an eye out for it. Workbench Wednesday. I don't know how far we'll be on this, but we'll be somewhere.